Hi, I'm Mike Abbey from I Seek Blinds. Now, I get asked a lot of questions, and particularly what's really on trend today are people wanting to fit a roller blind for their block out and then a beautiful sheer curtain in front. We do these nice, this is a change eye, but we've got the nice little motor, 12 volt motor blinds as well. So I kind of wanted to recreate a pelmet because people who are building new, they want to know how deep to make their bulkheads and how wide to make them. So I kind of just wanted to fit these two products here together. Now that's kind of not necessarily behaving because that S-fold curtain should sit right about there. So you can see I've got the roller blind, I've got clearance still out the back, I've got clearance between the two products. So even if this roller blind had 3 meters of fabric on it and we used the 50mm really heavy tube, we've still got clearance sort of between the two. And that's the sort of ultimate sort of top fixed sort of setup that you've got, and I get asked a lot of questions about. So I'm just going to put the tape measure back to the wall there and tell you that if I sort of hold everything, I won't sort of see what the measurements are, I'll let you kind of see for yourself, but you can see that I've got space between, you know, the measurement from front to back sort of is what it is, and there's plenty of sort of clearance there. You know, if you made your pelmet maybe 200 mils. And as far as the height goes of your bulkhead, well, it really just needs to cover, you know, for a single roller blind here, like it's 100 mils down to the bottom of this tape. So you might choose to make it 150 mils or something like that, particularly for this sort of combination of blinds. So kind of that's what it looks like. I hope that was helpful. I've got that bracket there top fixed so you can see the bracket for the roller blind. I've got the screw going up into the ceiling, but if I was to come off the wall and put my screw that way, you can see that I've got the exact same space to the front there. And so essentially I'm just recreating that. So where I've got that position there gives me the ability to go up with my screw and go into the wall. But generally in this situation, if there is a pelmet or a bulkhead or something coming down forward, then your screw is going to go up there. So something you get lots of questions about, and there's a really easy answer, and I hope that I've done so for you. See you later.